Diesel engines are the backbone of industries that move goods, build infrastructure, and keep daily life running smoothly. And when it comes to Cummins engines, especially the C-Series ISC8.3 and 8.9 liters models, reliability is the reason people invest in them. At the center of this reliability is a part that doesn't get much attention but controls nearly everything about how the engine performs: the fuel injection pump. The version designed for these Cummins engines, carrying part numbers 4076442 and 4076442X, is built to keep these power plants working at their full potential. A fuel injection pump isn't just another component. It is the brain of the fuel system. Every single drop of diesel that enters the combustion chamber passes through it. The timing, the pressure, and the amount of fuel delivered are all managed by this pump. When it works right, the engine runs smoothly, produces maximum torque, and consumes fuel efficiently. When it doesn't, you see black smoke, hear rough idling, and feel a serious loss of power. For engines that are often asked to haul thousands of pounds, climb steep grades, or run non-stop for hours, precision here is everything. The Cummins 4076442 pump is engineered to exact specifications. These pumps aren't designed with shortcuts, they are built to perform under intense conditions. Think about how a Cummins ISC engine is used. It powers trucks that travel cross-country, buses filled with passengers, or construction equipment pushing through dirt, gravel, and rock all day. Those engines can't afford downtime. The injection pump makes sure they keep running, day in and day out. When you look closely at why this pump matters, it comes down to three things: precision, durability, and compatibility. Precision ensures that fuel is injected at the exact right moment. This gives you complete combustion, which translates into strong performance and better fuel economy. Durability means the pump can withstand incredible pressure and temperature changes without wearing out prematurely. And compatibility ensures this unit fits directly into Cummins ISC8.3 and 8.9 liters engines without modifications, reducing downtime and avoiding headaches during installation. Fuel efficiency is another key benefit. Over time, a worn-out pump throws off the engine's balance. More fuel is wasted, and emissions climb. Replacing it with a part like the 4076442 pump brings the engine back to factory efficiency levels. That means fewer trips to the pump and lower operating costs for fleet owners. Multiply that savings across dozens of vehicles, and the difference is huge. Another important angle is emissions control. Diesel engines are held to stricter standards every year. If the fuel system isn't delivering precisely, the engine can fail to meet those standards. That leads to fines, compliance issues, or downtime while repairs are made. This pump keeps emissions under control by ensuring complete combustion, reducing smoke and pollutants. For companies running fleets or municipalities operating buses, that's peace of mind that vehicles won't get flagged during inspections. Some people wonder whether repairing or rebuilding an old injection pump is worth it. In some cases, it can work, but often, you're putting trust in worn components. With a brand new or properly remanufactured Cummins pump, you're guaranteed that every part meets exact standards. Think of it like replacing an old battery in your smartphone. It might still turn on, but you won't get anywhere near the performance of a new one. A fresh pump restores not just function but confidence in your engine. Installing the 4076442 or 4076442X pump isn't overly complex for trained technicians, and once it's in, it's built to last. The materials used are designed to resist wear, corrosion, and high-pressure fatigue. This means once you replace it, you're set for thousands of hours of reliable operation. There's also the business side of this. Every hour a truck or machine is down, money is being lost. Having a dependable injection pump reduces unplanned downtime and gives owners the ability to keep equipment on the road or job site. For fleets, this reliability keeps schedules intact and reduces the stress of unexpected breakdowns. The bigger picture here is that Cummins engines are legendary because of their design, but they can only